Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to remove this yellow box here at your bot token. So first of all, why is that a problem? Yeah, it overrides the bot token if you have multiple projects. So if you have just one project, there's no problem. You can use it and this yellow thing won't affect anything. But if you have multiple projects here in Discord BotMaker and you switch between them, it will not edit the token because the token is stored as a password, and this BotMaker uses password stuff from Chrome, from Google Chrome, and Google Chrome stores passwords. That's why you can see it here. So your other bots would start on the same token as you do. So yeah, and how do you remove that? It's basically very easy. You just close DBM, press Windows key and R, or search for 1. But I will press for Windows key and R, and enter local app data, and then the percent sign again. Percent icon, local app data percent icon. Hit OK, and you will see some stuff here. Now you just look for DBM2, and you just delete it, like this. Delete. OK. It will take a few moments, and sometimes it cannot delete it. If it cannot delete this folder, make sure to open Task Manager and check for something called NW.S. That's Discord BotMaker, so sometimes it doesn't close at all. It just closes the front page. Also, this error usually does not happen. This bug does not happen on the stable version. It should just happen on the beta version. If it does happen on the stable version, I suggest you to verify your files. And as you can see, it worked. I can now change my project without any problems, and it will not change it will change the token to the correct one. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to leave a like or subscribe to my channel. There are multiple tutorials. You can also check the info card. There's a playlist. And if you have any questions, feel free to go to the official Discord server of Discord BotMaker and then go into the support channel. But please don't ping anyone else than helpers, which is the role which helps you. Okay? See you later. Bye.